Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. And for this day 15, yeah, literally I take this morning time at the gate, at the line when when we was work, but yeah, little problems and little mistakes. So I decided to make it again and again. Why I say we? Because I here with my friend Haika. Yeah, he's always make vlog. Oh, look,
Sorry.
vlog by vlog. So guys, this is the store of the scout. Why we here? Why we need to buy SKK and TKU? Why? Because our Pradani he say us to make that. So we decided to make it. Yeah, let's go Haikal. So guys, we're racing here because if you see this is away straight.
What are you doing?
Double vlog.
Vlog, my vlog. Alright. Let's wait.
Okay guys, so the SKK is like this and SKU right. Terus, Haikal.
Yes, finish.
There is this.
Okay.
And yeah, this is for vlog 2015 and goodbye in the next vlog. Bye bye.